Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 13. How to serve bottled water at the table. Mise en place preparation. Prior to serving, ensure the mise en place includes an ice bucket or water cooler and neatly folded napkins. Bottled water presentation. Place the water bottle in the ice bucket or cooler, maintaining its cool temperature for optimal enjoyment. Ladies first protocol. Serve the bottled water to the ladies first, ensuring the sticker of the bottle faces the guest while preventing any drips with a folded napkin. Sequential service. Continue by serving the gentleman and then the host, adhering to a sequential and courteous order of service. Thoughtful placement. Place the bottled water on the table alongside a folded napkin for the guest's convenience. Automated refills. Proactively monitor and refill the guest's water glasses throughout the meal, ensuring they never need to request a refill. Observant service. Avoid any lapses in attentive service, as a guest needing to request a refill is considered uncalled for and may imply a lack of observation and care. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.